students, how are you all? I hope you are doing wonder. I am Rashmi, again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi. So, have you practiced enough for the continued fraction based problem? Because we are going to learn about how are we going to convert any fraction in the form of continued fraction. In the last session, we simplified how do we simplify the continued fraction? How can we convert a continued fraction into the normally like proper, improper, whatever the fractions we may get. Okay. Accordingly, we will be simplifying. In today's session, we will be discussing how are we going to convert any proper or improper fraction into the continued fraction format. Okay. So please watch my previous video. I'll definitely put the link in the description box and then you can check that video as well. And yes, do like my video, share it to your friends. If you are taking the benefit of all these shortcut tricks, do share it to your friends, relatives, and family members. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button so that you will get the notification of my all the latest videos. Okay, so let's get started with today's topic, that is how are we going to convert any fraction into the continued fraction. This is the second part of continued fraction. Let's see the example. Here we have a fraction is given 31 upon 168. We have to write this into continued fraction format. Continued fraction is nothing but we simply have to write one numerator in the denominator of it. One fraction will be there with the calculative part, plus or minus operation will be there. So ऐसे किसी न्यूमरेटर के अपॉन में जो भी डिनोमिनेटर है वो ऑलरेडी एक फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में, देन अगेन इट हैज समथिंग अगेन इन द डिनोमिनेटर एज फ्रैक्शन. Okay, so likewise we have to deal with this problem. So what we have to do here, we simply have to look what type of fraction we have. तो सबसे पहले ये चेक करते हैं. तो 31 जो है वो lesser than it is 168. 31 is smaller than 168. That means numerator is less than the denominator. So it is proper fraction, right? It is proper fraction. Now what we have to do, we can't write directly to this. What we will be doing, we will be writing 1 in the numerator, and denominator of 1 is going to give us 168 upon 31. क्योंकि हमको पता है कि 1 को अगर मैं डिवाइड करती हूँ किसी फ्रैक्शन 168 upon 31, so this is going to give me exact the same answer. 1 will be as it is. This division will become multiplication. 168 upon 31 will become 31 upon 168. That's the process to simplify a fraction divided by another fraction. This is only the method कि एक fraction को जब दूसरे fraction से divide करना होता है, so we simply have to replace division by multiplication, and along with that we have to take reciprocal of the second fraction. तो यहाँ पर हमने वही किया है. 1 as it is written, division become multiplication. 168 upon 31 we wrote it as 31 upon 168. So this is going to give us, again we will be getting back to the same thing, 31 upon 168, which is given into the problem, right? So we can write this 31 upon 168 into this form, 1 upon 168 upon 31. Now denominator, if we check, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is in the fraction form. So 1 upon 168 upon 31. Our focus will be on this part now. 168 divided by 31 we will try to do. Okay. So I will be showing you this calculation to this side. Okay. So हमको simply 168 को 31 से divide करना है. That's it. So when we will try to divide this, 31 का table बनाएंगे, right? In the table of 31, 7 times I will be getting 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 6 times I am getting 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. 5 times I am getting 31, 5 multiplied by 5 gives me 5 threes are 15. So 155, I could see 155 is, we can take here. Why? Because it is lesser than 168. There is no such number less than 168 in the table of 31. That is why we will be dividing it 5 times by taking 5 quotient. Okay. Now 155 we will be subtracting from 168, which is going to give me remainder 13. अब इसको कंटिन्यू हम पहले मैं लिख देती हूँ 1 upon. This can be written as 168 divided by 31 is an improper fraction now. This improper fraction I simply converted into the mixed fraction. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है, सिर्फ इसको mixed fraction के फॉर्म में लिखा है. 168 अपॉन 31 को मैं लिख सकती हूँ 5 and 13 upon 31. और हमने we have seen in the fraction problem, this 5 and 31 upon 31 can be written as 5 plus 31 upon 13 upon 31 also. Okay. So I am writing 5 plus 13 upon 31. So look, this was improper fraction in the denominator of 1, which is 168 upon 31. We simply converted it into the mixed fraction, which gave us 5 plus 13 upon 31. Now, in the next step, we will be getting 1 upon 5 plus 13 upon 31. Exactly. हम usually यही करते हैं. 13 upon 31 को मैं कैसे लिखूंगी? 1 upon 31 upon 13. As we did with 31 upon 168. क्योंकि proper fraction तो convert होगा नहीं. Somehow we have to make it into improper. अगर क्वेश्चन में ही वो डायरेक्टली 168 अपॉन 31 होता तो हम वहीं से ही उसको ब्रेक करना स्टार्ट करते. वी कुड हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम डूइंग डिवीजन फ्रॉम दैट स्टेप ऑनवर्ड्स, बट though it was proper fraction, that is why we first converted it into the improper fraction by shifting it into the denominator of 1, so that we got a continued fraction setup, and then we are continuing here. So 31 upon 13. Now what I will be doing? I will be dividing this 31 by 13. Now 13 twos are 26 upon, 26 I will be subtracting from 31, which gives me 5. So 31 upon 13, if I'm trying to convert it into mixed fraction, this is going to give me 2 and 5 upon 13, which can be further written as 2 plus 5 upon 13, right? So in place of 31 upon 13, this portion, I am replacing this with which one? Yes, 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon. In the denominator of 1, I have 31 upon 13, and 31 upon 13 can be written as 2 plus 5 upon 13. Okay. Further, more division is possible. So we'll continue with the same process. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 13. 2 plus 5 upon 13. In the next step, I will be writing it into this way. 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 13. I am writing in the denominator of 1, which gives me 13 upon 5. Now my focus will be completely on this 13 upon 5. I will be writing this 13 upon 5 into the mixed fraction. For that, I have to divide this 13 by 5, which gives me 5 twos are 10 and remainder is 3. So 2 and 5, 2 and 3 upon 5. Look, 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5 again I am getting, right? So this can be written as 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 13 upon 5 can be written as 2 plus 3 upon 5. If we want, we can divide it furthermore. 3 upon 5 can be written as 1 upon 5 upon 3. Right? 1 upon 5 upon 3. So we can do it into that way also. But I think this much is enough. Usually we have 3 to 4 steps only, but still we can do it furthermore. How we will be doing it? We can write this 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5 upon 3. Now this 5 upon 3, I am not doing the division. I am directly writing the answer 5 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5 upon 3 can be written as 3 ones are 3, remainder 2. Yes, 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3 again I'm getting, right? So this way we can keep on splitting it furthermore simply by writing in the denominator. We'll try to convert any of the fraction in the form in the denominator of 1. If it is already a proper fraction, we will be writing it in the denominator of 1. After writing it into the denominator of 1, of course, the denominator part will be an improper fraction. And an improper fraction can be easily written in the form of mixed fraction. So कुछ केसेस में वो आपको बताएगा कि आपको कितनी स्टेप्स तक डिवीजन करना है, 1 step, 2 step, how many steps you want in the denominator. So here we did first step and second step. Next page we did third step and fourth step. So that depends according to the option how you have to move. Some of the cases they may ask you write till third step and the last step should be containing negative sign. Like here we have everywhere we have plus sign, right? Plus 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus. So rather than having 2 plus, we can have 2 minus also, 3 minus also. So minus sign I am talking about. What we will be doing in that case, we'll have some examples for that. Okay. For now, you have to convert this 31 upon 168. So do we have to do this much long process? This is the basic method I taught you. ये तो basic method हो गई. हमको करना क्या है actually में? Let's see that. 31 upon 168 is given. First, you have to write it 1 upon 168 upon 31. Now, quickly you have to divide this 168 by 31 and it will be divisible 5 times. 155 you are getting. As soon as you get the first remainder, which is 13, you will be dividing this 31 by 13. So 13 twos are 26. 26 you will be subtracting, which gives you 5. Then again, it is possible to divide it further. So 5 twos are 10. 13 minus 10 gives you 3 remainder. So how you can write it? You can write it as 1 upon 168 upon 31 can be written as 5 plus, just a minute. Yeah. 5 plus 13 upon 31. So I will be writing 5 plus 1 upon, right? Actually, it has to be, this has to be 5 plus 13 upon 31. So now it will be 5 plus 1 upon 31 upon 31. So 31 upon 31, this is 31 upon 13 will give us 2 plus 5 upon 13. But again we are splitting it further. So 2 plus 5 upon 13 can be written as 2 plus 1 upon 13 upon 5. Now 13 upon 5, this here we have 13 upon 5, which gives us 2 plus 3 upon 5. I did till 3 steps only. Okay. So 2 plus 3 upon 5. If we start converting it, we will reach at the same point 31 upon 168. Look, 5 2 is a 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5, which gives 5 upon 13. Now 5 upon 13 plus 2 gives us 13 2 is a 26 plus 5 is 31 upon 13. So 31 upon 13 can be written as 13 upon 31. Now 5 plus 13 upon 31 gives us 168 upon 31. So we will reach to the same problem which was given to us in the question. Okay. So this way we converted any of the fraction, whether it is proper or improper. For now we have seen the example of proper fraction. Soon we will be discussing the next example is, I think, of improper fraction only, where we will talk about what type of, how are we converting improper fraction into continued fraction. So let's see the new example. Another example here we have 155 upon 52. So we have to write this 155 upon 52 into continued fraction. So we simply have to divide this 155 upon 52 Try to use this shortcut method, this one. Only on one page we are able to do this. We are not taking the help of these two pages. Look, here it was too lengthy calculation because we have done it with the basic method. So that we actually we were trying to understand the scenario कि हो क्या रहा है, हम क्यों किसके अपॉन में किसको भी लिख दे रहे हैं. तो ऐसे किसी को भी नहीं लिख रहे हैं. We have the actual reason behind it, which we have seen with the help of basic method. And then I have shown you the shortcut method, the alternate one. Okay. Now, we will be discussing this problem with the same method, shortcut trick. So 52 ones are 52, 52 twos are 104, 52 threes are, look, 52 multiplied by 3 gives me 156. 156 is greater than 155. That means we will be able to divide it two times only. 104, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. So two times we will be doing the division. 155 minus 104 gives me 51, right? Now this 51 will become the divisor and the previous divisor will become the dividend, right? Let's divide it furthermore. Yeah, 51 ones are 51. Remainder is 1. Now by 1 we will be dividing 51. एंड वी नो वी कांट स्प्लिट इट फर्दरमोर. इसमें तीन स्टेप्स पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. इसमें दो स्टेप तक ही हो पाएगा बिकॉज वी गॉट द डिनोमिनेटर 1 एंड एज सुन एज वी गॉट द डिवाइजर 1 दैट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर 1. We can't split it furthermore. So how we will be writing it? 155 upon 52 can be written as 2 plus because it's improper fraction. ये तो गिवन ही इम्प्रॉपर है, इसको हमको अपॉन में लगाना ही नहीं है. 1/52 अपॉन 155 विल मेक आर टास्क मोर डिफिकल्ट क्योंकि फिर 52 अपॉन 155 को वी वोंट बी एबल टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. दैट इज व्हाई आवर टारगेट इज समहाउ वी हैव टू गेट improper fraction. And already the question was having improper fraction. That is why 155 upon 52 can be written as 2 plus 51 upon 52, which can be written further as 2 plus 51 upon 52 will become 1 upon 52 upon 51. So 1 upon 52 upon 51, which is this 52 divided by 51, gives us 1 plus 1 upon 51. 51 ones are 51 plus 1, 52 upon 51. So 52 upon 51 is in the denominator of 1, which gives us 51 upon 52. So that's it. We can do it only for till two steps. This is the first step when we converted this, and the second step is 1 plus 1 upon 51. So this way we converted 155 upon 52 in the form of continued fraction. I hope you understood this shortcut one in which we are continuously dividing. So continued division is going to give us continued fraction. We can do it by basic method also, but that will be a lot of time taking then. Okay, you can try with this method once. Whatever the doubts you are getting, you can definitely put it in the comment box. Let's move to the next example. Here it is asking the value for B and C. They are asking us to get the value for B and C. So first of all, the question is given to us if 41 upon 9 is equals to 4 plus. Now why are we getting 4? Exactly. Because it's improper fraction. The given fraction itself improper fraction. तो सबसे पहले तो हम 41 को 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे. And 9 fours are 36. So 41 में से 36 ही माइनस कर पाएंगे. 4 times we'll be able to divide, that is why. So 4 तो वहां से आया. Now plus 2, how are we getting? Because usually we write 1 only. कि किसी को फ्रैक्शन के अपॉन में लिखना है तो हम न्यूमरेटर में 1 लिख के उसका रेसिप्रोकल डाल देते हैं. 41 अपॉन 9 को 1 के अपॉन में कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 अपॉन 9 अपॉन 41. 2 के अपॉन में कैसे लिखेंगे? वही हम we will be learning that only. 41 upon 9 is nothing but 9 fours are 36. 36 will be subtracted from 41 and this. So 41 divided by 9 is going to give me 9 fours are 36. Remainder is 5. So that 5 will come into the numerator, which can be further written as 4 plus 5 upon 9. Now the target is to getting 2 here. हमारे पास तो 5 आया है. Can we write it as 3 plus 2? No, we should not write, क्योंकि फिर उससे तो हम न्यूमरेटर को भी सेपरेट कर रहे हैं, डिनोमिनेटर तो 9 ही रहेगा तब भी. So this is going to give 3 also in the numerator and 2 also. We want only 2. So this will not help. 5 को हम स्प्लिट करके 3 plus 2 लिखेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर में तो 3 भी आएगा और 2 भी आएगा. We want only 2. So that is why हम यहाँ पर सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं 2 से. Right? Yes. Now 4 plus. Let me do one step more. Okay. First we will have this 4 plus 5 upon 9, and then in the next step 4 plus 5 upon 9 I will be writing it as 1 upon 9 upon 5, so that you will understand it in more better way. Now the target is to multiply by 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. The numerator is 1 multiplied by 2. The denominator is 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5 multiplied by 2 will give us 18 upon 5. So 2 का multiply हमको तीनों जगह नहीं करना है, 1 में भी, 9 में भी, 5 में भी. We have only 2 things here. Numerator is 1, denominator is a type of fraction, 9 upon 5. So this was the trick we have to apply to get something else in the numerator rather than having 1. If they ask us to get 3 here, so we would have multiplied it by 3. 1 upon 9 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 3 gives us 3 upon 27 upon 5. Right? So 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 upon 5. That is why I have not shown you the continued division method here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो हमको बेसिक से ही जाना पड़ेगा, but still it will be time savior for us. 2. 18 upon 5 can be written as 3 plus 5 threes are 15. Remainder 3 upon 5. 18 divided by 5 gives me 5 threes are 15. 15 will be subtracted, which gives 3 remainder. So 3 plus 3 upon 5. Look. Here we have now 1. So यहाँ पे तो 4 है, right? This is B, and here we have B. That means the value for B we got 3. As soon as we fix the value for B, now the target is to get the value for C. जिसके लिए और split करना पड़ेगा. We have to go till the third step. So this is the value for B we got, which is 3. Right? Now the thing is 4 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 upon 3. Right? 3 upon 5. I wrote it as 1 upon 5 upon 3. So 4 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 upon 3 can be written as 3 ones are 3. 4, 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3 can be written as 1 and 2 upon 3. 5 को अगर मैं 3 से divide करूँगी, so 3 ones are 3. Remainder will be 2 that I wrote here. So when we convert this 41 upon 9, this gives us 4 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 upon 3. So this way we got the value for B as well as for C also. The value for C is 1. Okay, so till now we did not get any problem in which we have minus sign. यहाँ पे भी minus sign नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है. Nowhere we have. But yes, the next problem is coming here. We are reaching to the next problem, which is going to give what? Yes, we'll be having minus sign also. So we have to find the value for B and C, which we got. Value for B is 3. Value for C is 1. Right? I hope it is easy for us to understand. Next problem is, which is the last problem of today's session. We do not have to only find the value for A, B, C. Given fraction is 45 upon 53, which is of course a proper fraction. It's not improper, it's proper fraction. So हमको इसको 1 के अपॉन में लिखना पड़ेगा. 1 upon 53 upon 45, right? So 45 upon 53 को सबसे पहले मैं लिखूंगी 1 upon 53 upon 45. Okay? And then after that I will start doing division. 53 को 45 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर जो रिमाइंडर आएगा उससे 45 को डिवाइड करेंगे, प्रीवियस डिवीजर, राइट, प्रीवियस डिवाइजर, एंड देन विल बी फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू फॉर ए बी सी. बट yes, this will be the extra thing which we have to learn because minus sign is there. कभी भी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में बीच में माइनस साइन नहीं आता है. 2 and 4 upon 5, the meaning is 2 plus 4 upon 5. Now, not 2 minus 4 upon 5. So, उसको कैसे करेंगे? That we will be looking. Okay? So, 1 upon. सबसे पहले 53 को मैंने 45 से डिवाइड किया. 45 ones are 45 and the remainder is 8. So, 53 upon 45 can be written as 1 plus 8 upon 45. I'll be showing you both the method, basic as well as the longer one. Sorry, shortcut one. So this is the basic method in which I was trying to divide this 53 by 45, which gave me 1 plus 8 upon 45. Now the next step is 1 plus 8 upon 45 can be written as 45 upon 8. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 45 divided by 8 gives me 8 fives are 40. So 40 plus 5, 45 upon 8. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 5 plus 5 upon 8. Right? 45 upon 8. 45 upon 8. We wrote it as 5 plus 5 upon 8. This way. Right? 45 अगर मैं divide करूँ 8 से. So 8 fives are 40. And remainder is again 5. So 5 plus 5 upon 8. That means the value for A, this is the value for A, 1, and this is the value for B, 5. 1 upon something plus A plus, so 1 plus 1 upon, B plus 1 upon, so 5 plus 5 upon 8. Now the next step is 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 5 plus 5 upon 8 को लिखेंगे 8 upon 5. Now 8 upon 5 is going to give me 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 8 upon 5 को अगर मैं डिवाइड कर दूं, suppose I divided this 8 by 5, so 5 ones are 5, remainder is 3. So 8 upon 5 को तो मैं ऐसे लिख पाऊंगी 1 plus 3 upon 5. मुझे प्लस चाहिए ही नहीं, I want minus sign. C minus 2 by 5. I don't want this. Plus sign I don't want. So minus sign कैसे मिलेगा? So here the trick begins. We do not have to do it like this. ऐसे नहीं करना है. Not. The correct way to do it is here. 8 divided by 5. आपको माइनस साइन तभी मिलेगा, रिमाइंडर में माइनस चाहिए ना, यहाँ पे माइनस चाहिए, राइट? सो somehow you have to have minus sign with this numerator 3 or whatever. So for that, what you will be doing? You will be dividing this 8 by 5. बट यूजुअली हम डिवीजन कैसे करते हैं? 5 के टेबल में चेक करते हैं 8 आ रहा है क्या, नहीं आता है तो उससे छोटा नंबर लेते हैं. इस बार हम बड़ा नंबर लेंगे, तो बड़ा नंबर जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ऑफकोर्स बिग नंबर साइन आएगा जो कि माइनस का होगा, राइट? सो 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So that is why 2 times we will be dividing, which gives me 5 twos are 10. और माइनस करने जा रही हूँ. 8 minus 10 is not going to give me 2. 8 minus 10 is going to give me minus 2. So this is the process which is going to give me negative sign. So actually 8 upon 5 को मैं मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में 1 plus 3 upon 5 लिख सकती हूँ, बट मुझे नेगेटिव साइन के साथ लिखना है. So that will be 2 minus 2 upon 5. 5 twos are 10. 10 minus 2 gives me 8. And 8 upon 5, again I am reaching back to the same number, 8 upon 5. So 2 minus 2 upon 5. So this 2 is nothing but the value for C. As soon as we get all the value for A, B, C, value for A was 1, value for B here is 5, and value for C is 2, which we can substitute here in the problem to get our answer. I'll be showing you the shortcut method also. Ki rather than doing it with the longer method, can't we do it with the shortcut one? Of course we can. Because here we are not changing anything in the numerator. वहां पर हमने 2 बनाया था इसीलिए उसको भी मैंने बेसिक मेथड से करवाया था. Here यहाँ पे 1 की जगह पर 2 था. That is why I multiplied and I shown you the longer calculation. Okay, उसको भी शॉर्टकट से कर सकते हैं. If you want I can show you. But there you need to remember कि ये suddenly denominator और numerator change क्यों हो गए. Divisor and quotient, sorry, dividend. Okay, so 4a minus b plus 3c, right? 4a minus b plus 3. Value for a is 1, value for b is 5. So 4 multiplied by 1 minus b value is 5 and c value is 2. Right? Yes. So 4 ones are 4 minus 5 plus 3 twos are 6. 4 minus 5 gives me minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6 gives me positive 5. So positive 5 you are getting here. When you simplify this 45 upon 53, when you try to convert it into continued fraction. So this gives you the value for A, B, C. If they have given you the particular format to convert. If they have not given any format, so we have already seen the previous 2-3 examples, you will be proceeding exactly the same way. अब इसको हम shortcut method से कैसे करेंगे? So first of all, the problem is 45 upon 53, which you will be writing 1 upon 53 upon 45. So first is, you will be dividing this 53 by 45. First thing, 45 ones are 45, remainder is 8. Now by 8 you will be dividing 45. This is the second process. So 8 fives are 40 minus 45 minus 40 gives us 5. Now by 5 you will be dividing the previous divisor. This is the second process. Second time you are getting the quotient. Third time, sorry. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 8. अब यहाँ पे 2 times हम, sorry, 5 twos are 10. So यहाँ पे हम 2 times क्यों divide कर रहे हैं? Because we have seen in the problem that minus sign is coming. So minus कैसे आएगा? जब हम बड़ा नंबर लेंगे. 5 twos are 10. Now minus, we will be subtracting this 8 and 10. 8 minus 10 gives us minus 2. So this can be written as 45 upon 53 can be written as 1 upon 1 plus 8 upon 45. 1 plus 8 upon 45, which gives us 1 plus 1 upon 45 upon 8. 1 upon 45 upon 8. This is 45 upon 8. Okay. So 45 divided by 8 gives me 5 plus 5 upon 8. Now 5 plus 5 upon 8 can be written as 5 plus 1 upon 8 upon 5. 1 upon 8 upon 5. So 8 divided by 5 gives me 2 minus 2 upon 5. So this way I got the answer as for converting this 45 upon 53 into the continued fraction with this specific format. But I do not only have to convert, I have to get the value for. So actual answer is this. This is the answer because I do not have to find the value for A, B, C. I have to get the value for 4A minus B plus 3C, which is 5. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6 gives me positive 5. Okay. I hope it is easy for us to understand and to apply that how we can convert any of the proper fraction or improper fraction into the continued fraction format. Whether it is with the plus of addition operation or subtraction, we can do it now. Look for many problems in your textbook, or you can refer to any other books as well, wherever you find these, and then you can start practicing for such problems. Because in exam, you may get objective based problem for the same. Okay. So until we do not meet for the next session, you have to keep on practicing and do share this video to your friends. Press the bell icon button and do like my video. Bye everyone.